Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Today we're going to take a look at the new box of the month from Not Too Shabby. Also, right after this video, I've also got another one coming up that is going to be part of a blog, a video hop with Not Too Shabby using things from this kit. So you'll want to go from this one to that one, and that one should be starting right about 10 o'clock this morning. So go see all of the folks doing that. So let's go ahead and open it up. I love that this time she sent it to me in the box. So excited. First thing we've got is this card, and I'm thinking now I get to see all the things that you guys get. But it has all the things in here about your membership. So I think that's super cool. There's also a YouTube membership. If you notice, I've got a YouTube membership as well, but Jamie at Not Too Shabby's got one there, so you can get exclusive content and perks by using that. Anyhow, there's lots of information here, so be sure to check your card when you get your box of the month. Let's go ahead and open this up. So the sticker says thank you for supporting a small business. Jamie is super sweet, and she's basically a one-woman show, so be sure to give her all your love. You get the box out of the way, and let's take a look at what's in the package. Okay, and I like having them on my desk upside down so you don't see what's coming next. So I'm going to start at the back here. This one is, and no, I have not seen these yet, but isn't that adorable? Cute little girl and little guy for Valentine's Day, and this one is called, I'm looking for the name on there. I will find the names of all the things and list them down below for you guys, but I'm just thinking this is all Valentine's, so we'll be able to make some cool Valentines with that, or Galentines. Got this one that's got the puppies. Oh, that one's adorable. Okay, I am going to be stamping a bunch of these things in my planners too. Okay, anyhow. Anyway, we've got some cute little pups. Then we've got all the coffee drinks. XOXO, love that. Hearts on everything. This one says it's love for latte. Now I can see the names. This one is Pugs and Kisses. And then this one is XOXO. Okay, it took me a second to find those. Okay, then we've got those. And we've also got a couple of paper packs to go along with. So this one is Lattes of Love, and then Love is a Gift. And take the sticker off. Papers are super pretty. Look at that. I'm gonna just do a quick flip through. This one's got all the coffee drinks, like you've been going to Starbucks and picking up some lattes and mochas and all the fun things. These are adorable, and I love coffee cards anyway. I don't make enough of those. So anyway, the paper pack is just lovely and goes perfect with the coffee mugs. Then we've got this one that is Love is a Gift. Again, all of the, if you've gotten the paper pads before, you know that it's 12 designs. They're double-sided sheets. You get multiples of each. I believe it's like 4 of each design, so that's always nice. That way you don't have to worry about, oh my God, do I have to hold on to this, or can I go ahead and use it? Because since you have more, you can go ahead and use it and not worry about it. Okay, taking that sticker off. And just from the cover, we've got some glitters, and we've got some hearts and love and all the fun things. So, this one's got lots of presents. That is so pretty. Roses. I do have to say that Teresa she outdoes herself every single time. I don't know why I'm surprised every time, but the papers just turn out so pretty. She does a fabulous job putting this all together for us. Okay, I think I've already gotten to the duplicates again, but yeah. So we've got those 2 paper packs. She also sent me a sucker and some little sticky dots there for embellishment. Got ephemera. This one matches the Love is a Gift, and this one matches the coffee. So I have no idea what I'm gonna play with first. So you're gonna have to just come back to the video right after this one as part of the hop to see what it was that I decided to play with for the hop video. You guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you over there in that video. Bye guys.